Let's turn this into this. Hello, so this is the first step on how we can create an industrial lampshade from recycled materials. So what we have right now is a tin can and also a gold spray paint. So ang gagawin nyo lang is spray paint nyo muna yung inside ng tin can. And probably later on, you can do a second coating para mas magandang effect. Okay. And also from dun sa outside naman ng tin can na ginawa natin is meron kaming black na spray paint also. Kasi syempre, yun nga, industrial tin can ang gagawin natin or industrial lampshade. So, perfect talaga ang black for this. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is, gawin nyo muna yung first coating. So, later on, gagawin na agad natin ang second coating. Okay? So, also, this is the first time na gagamit ako ng electric drills. So, talagang ginawa natin is, for this one, nag-measure talaga tayo kung ano yung nasa center ng tin can natin. As I mentioned, this is my first time, kaya ayan na siya. And success! Ayan! So, sobrang excited kami and also natatakot kasi nga baka tumalsik. And for this naman, ito yung gagawin natin stand ng ating tin can. Alright? So, kung meron kayong mga sira na gorilla tripod, this is perfect. So, ang ginawa natin, since na medyo madumi na siya, tsaka nag-fade na yung colors, talagang gumamit kami ng gold spray paint para ma-cover natin lahat ng imperfection ng tripod. So, let's go back to our tin can. So, yun nga, meron na siyang, so tuyo na siya, maayos na yung paint niya inside and out. So, this is the hole na ginawa natin doon sa electric drill kanina. Ang gagawin na lang natin ngayon is to insert itong electric wire doon para magawa natin siya ng parang light bulb doon sa inside ng tin can. So, for this, ito yung electric wire natin. So, ipapasok natin siya dito sa receptacle. Okay, I'm gonna create a proper step-by-step procedure on how you can install an electric wire para magkaroon kayo o tayo ng light bulb. So, and stay tuned for that tutorial. Okay, good luck sa akin. So, for this, ang gagawin ko lang is actually pinutol natin kung ano yung plastic o rubber plastic outside ng copper ng wire. Okay, so you can use this long nose cutter. Tama ba? Tama ba ang tawag dito? Okay, so yun. So, huwag nyo talaga siyang torque cut kasi mapuputol pati yung copper inside. So, dahan-dahan lang hanggat mahigit nyo yung rubber plastic para hindi maputol yung copper insides. And also, gagawin nyo is to install or ikabit siya doon sa receptacle. Okay, so for the glue, safe naman gumamit ng glue gun for this project. So, at since na yun din ang meron kami. So, ang gawin lang natin is lagyan natin siya ng fair amount of glue para maitikit natin na siya inside ng tin can. So, now, this is the tripod na ginawa natin kanina. The Gorilla tripod. So, same glue gun ang gagamitan natin or glue stick. So, maglagay lang tayo ng, actually, mas madaming amount ng glue kasi nga medyo malaki ang tin can natin. So, ikabit lang natin siya on top. Okay? So, para maybe probably mga a minute or two na i-stay natin siya para talaga hindi siya tumumba at maging matibay ang ating lampshade. Okay, so ilagay na natin itong bulb inside ng ating lampshade. Okay, so that makikita nyo kung ano ang effect talaga nito once na sinindihan na natin. And tada! Ayan na siya! Ang ating industrial lampshade out of recycled materials. So, diba? Sobrang ganda niya. Okay, so hindi natin akalain na ganyan siya from like fruit cocktails or pineapple tin cans. So, ito na ang ating new and improved and sobrang gandang industrial lampshade. So, I hope you like our video. So, we really appreciate if you can also subscribe. And by the way, if you want to see more of this kind of DIYs, don't forget to click the link or the video sa susunod na ito. So, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!